History Month quiz.
Black history,
It's time to test your history.
black history, black history,
Do you know Black history?
black history,
Let's find out.
history. Black history, black history, black history.
Question: what African kingdom gained fame because it was near the Nile River?
Black history, black history.
The Kingdom of Kush was important because it was located near the Nile River. It shared things like culture, ideas, and even rulers with ancient Egypt. Did you know the answer to that question? How about these questions? Who refused to give up her seat on a bus, sparking the civil rights movement? What musical genre originated in African American communities became a global cultural phenomenon? What historical event marked the end of slavery in the United States? We'll find out in the next video. Subscribe to learn more Black history.